Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn about triangular pyramid. So first of all, we're gonna do the definition of triangular pyramid, and then we will also talk about volume and surface area formulas, faces, edges, and vertices. And then after that, we will do some examples because that's how we can understand the topic in an explicit way. So without further ado, let's talk about a triangular pyramid first. A triangular pyramid is the one that has three side faces that are in the shape of triangle, and it also has one base that is in the shape of triangle too. So this is the perfect example of triangular pyramid. It has three faces, one, two, three, and they're in the shape of triangle, and it has one base that is in the shape of triangle too. So now we're gonna learn how we can draw the triangular pyramid. So triangular pyramid. So first of all, we're gonna draw the lateral faces that are adjacent. So this face or this face, and as we cannot draw the back face, so just forget about the back face. So just make one triangle and make another triangle and connect the vertices. And this dotted line, it represents, it is the base of the triangular pyramid. So we can also draw the triangular pyramid in a different way. So this is the second way. So this is the base, and these are the side faces. And there is one side face that is the back face, which we cannot draw. Same here. So this is the back face, and this is the side face 1, 2, and there's one back face, side 3. So now we're gonna learn about the faces, edges, and vertices. Faces, edges, and vertices. Triangular pyramid has four faces, like 1, 2, 3, and there's one base face. So four faces. So if we talk about the figure here, like 1, 2, 3, and there's one back face. So four faces. And if we talk about the vertices, vertices are the one that are the corners of triangular pyramid. Like this is the first corner, second, third, and fourth. And now move to the edges. So edges are the lines that connect two vertices. So for example, if we talk about these two vertices, so this is the first edge, and this is a second edge, and this is third, and this is fourth, and this is fifth, and this dotted one, this is sixth. So it has 6 edges. So now we're gonna do the formulas for volume and surface area. So the formula for volume of triangular pyramid is 1/3 area of base into height of pyramid. So let's simplify the formula. Area of the base, which is a triangle, we already know the formula, 1/2 base into height. So here the base is this, so this is base, and this is height. So like the base of the like the base of triangular pyramid, which is in the shape of a triangle. So this is the base and this is the height. So small b into small h. So the formula will be small b into small h into h, which is the height of the pyramid. Now we're gonna do the formula for surface area of triangular pyramid. So the formula is area of the base plus half perimeter of the base into slant height. So let's further simplify the formula. So the formula for the area of the base is half small b into small h plus perimeter of the base, which is the sum of the dimensions of the figure, like the sum of the dimensions of the base. Let's suppose this as a and this is small b and this is c. So a plus b plus c into slant height. Let's suppose the slant height as h1. So which is this one, h1. There's a big difference between slant height and the regular height of the triangular pyramid. So let's suppose the regular height of the triangular pyramid is this, which is denoted by h. So slant height is h1, which is a distance from one vertex to the midpoint of the edge, like any edge. So the distance from this vertex to the midpoint of the edge. So this is the edge. So if we talk about the regular height of the triangular pyramid, which is denoted by h, so it is a perpendicular distance from apex, which is the highest point, v1. We can also call it as vertex, to the base of the triangular pyramid, which is that dotted line. So now we're gonna do one example because that's how we can decipher the topic well. So what we are given to us, this figure, and what we need to find out, volume and surface area. So let's focus on what is given to us. So let's start from the base. We are given the sides of the base, A, B and C, like this. A, B and C, they're all 6 feet. And also we are given the height of the base, which is 5.2 feet, and the height of the triangular pyramid, like this, H, capital H, 8 feet. So what we need to find out first, the volume of triangular pyramid. So the formula is 1/3 area of the base, which is a triangle, into capital H, which is height of the triangular pyramid. So area of the base is half small b into small h into this capital H. So what is small b? 6 into h, 5.2 into 8. So let's simplify this. So 24 into 5.2. So it comes out to be 124.8 feet cube. So now we're gonna find out the surface area of this figure. And also we are given to us the slant height, which is h1, that is 10 feet, which is distance from apex, this apex, which is the highest point, vertex 1, to the midpoint of the edge. So edge is the line that connects the two vertices, like this. And the formula for the surface area of a triangular pyramid is area of the base plus half perimeter of the base into slant height, which is h1. So area of the base, let's dissect the formula. Half base, which is 6, and height 5.2, plus perimeter. So perimeter is the sum of the dimensions of the figure, which is a triangle. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 into 10. So 3 into 5.2 plus half into 18 into 10. So 3 into 5.2, 15.6 plus 9 into 10, 90. So 15.6 plus 90, it comes out to be 105.6 feet square. So this is the surface area of this figure.